Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to pair your phone to the Bluetooth in the all-new Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross. So as you can see, I got the Bluetooth already pulled up on my phone. All you gotta do is hit the phone button in the vehicle. Automatically comes up with pair device. So we'll go ahead and hit pair device. I'm going to scan for new devices on my phone. Go ahead and hit next so that way you can see what the unit name is and of course the pass key. And we'll just wait here for a second to get the device names. As you can see, Mitsubishi Motors Bluetooth pops up. Go ahead and select that. And then the pass key is going to change on the radio and show you on the phone. So go ahead and hit OK. And as you can see, it's that easy. Bluetooth is connected. It's going to ask me to have access to my contacts. We're going to go ahead and deny that for right now. Now, one thing I want to go ahead and do, I'm going to show you how to place a call using the Bluetooth system. So let's give one of the sales managers a call. All right, let's go ahead and call him. Hit dial.
Hello, this is Garrett.
Hey Garrett, it's Clint. We got you online right now. So how about you tell us your favorite thing about the all-new Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross?
Absolutely, hands down, my favorite part is the performance with that 1.5 turbo.
Oh, I couldn't agree more. So anything else you'd like to say to our customers?
Nope, just always that it's a great day down here at Jim Shorkey's.
All right, Garrett, thanks so much. We'll see you soon.
See ya.
So as you can see, guys, it's that easy. Once your phone is paired, you have your contacts right there on the screen. You could use the nice touchpad in the Eclipse Cross to make your phone calls. You also have the steering wheel controls too that make it just as easy. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call, stop on by, whatever it may be. You can also reach me personally at 417-967-6767. Your deal, your way. What a great day.